everybody, we're back here again with a basement finish in Johnston, Iowa. This basement will feature a 3/4 bath, a wet bar, and some extra storage for the homeowners. Over there is where our bathroom will be, our mechanical room. This will be a breezeway that leads over to the wet bar area. One thing I'll highlight now is the drain lines that we've ran against the wall. It gets costly to break up concrete when you're talking about that type of distance over to existing drains to allow for drainage for your wet bar sink. So just something that's good to think about and know ahead of time when you are about to frame. Over here is going to be a family and storage room. And we'll pan back across the whole basement. This basement's got quite a bit of span to it, and the areas are divided up. And then back here in this area will be a storage area that we're going to do something a little fun with that we haven't done before, and we will surprise you guys with that at the end. And then we'll just kind of walk back over here to our storage area. We've got some irrigation plumbing ran and an irrigation meter that we will need to move to allow for a door. Just another thing that kind of happens in basements when the finishing of it is not planned at the time of installing irrigation. So we'll get all that stuff moved, and that's about it for part one. Stay tuned for part two. Thank you.